Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from sunny Margate, Florida. By the way, that is our phone number right there. If you have questions, give us a call at the store. You can ask for John, who's behind the camera. If you're looking for pricing, just go right to the website. What do we got today? Well, we got a vehicle that I really like. Why do I like this vehicle? It's very reliable. It's a great truck, and we did a great cover to go with this great truck. What do we got here? We got the Extang Trifecta E Series. Now the E Series is one of the newer ones here. Now a lot of people don't realize when they get the Honda Ridgelines, you can get a cover for it. For some reason, Honda doesn't make a lot of options for this, but we do. So, and as you know, I'm a Honda guy. I think these are great vehicles. And let's take a good look on how this looks, and I'll show you how everything works on this. As you can see, it looks terrific. It really goes great inside the bed. I think it's a sharp look, but of course, it's not all about looks, is it? It's all about how it works as well. So if you reach under here, you got a nice little, I don't know if you can see that, but you got a little locking mechanism that, and this thing has got a really good spring to it. Now, if you look here on the cheaper models, they don't sit as nice as this. You see how these sit in here nice and clean? Some of the other ones have the little levered and everything else. The problem with the lever ones is when you go to open it up, they have a tendency to poke in here. These lock into place, so you don't have that problem. Also, look over here. You got a really nice triple seal here. Why is that better? Well, it helps with water. As you know, no cover is waterproof because these aren't submarines, but having a triple seal there, if you notice, it's got a big seal on the side here, it's going to do a really good job of keeping the water out. So again, what's nice about this, you can go ahead, put it all the way here. You got your little things here to secure it, so this way you're driving down the road, you don't have to worry about the wind catching it. As you can see, you got plenty of room underneath it. Of course, a lot of people want to know, hey, is this going to interfere with this? As you can see, you can still open that up, not a problem. So you still can use all the features this wonderful truck has. So again, this is a great product. Hey John, what's the warranty on this? Do you remember? I'm trying to remember. Okay, it's a new one. Now I'll double check on that, but I'll put it on the bottom of this video, by the way. So since I can't remember off the top of my head. Now, of course, if we put it on for you, you're gonna have a 1-year labor guarantee. So basically it covers everything we did on here. Again, this is a sharp look. Now let's go ahead and see if I remember. This is at the, a lot of people want to know, hey, does the tailgate work? Well, yes, as you can see, the tailgate works both ways. It does not hurt the cover in the least bit. It still has a great seal here. So you can flip it down, you can open it up. Everything works with this cover because a lot of people don't realize the Honda's got a lot of cool stuff for its bed. And you want to make sure wherever cover you get, everything works, and it does on this. Now, if you like this and you say, you know what, Chris, I don't live in your sunny state, I live in another state, not a problem. I can ship this anywhere in the country for you. We even go into Hawaii, and then on the other side, we go to Puerto Rico. So we go everywhere. So if you like this, we can tell you what to do on the install as well. Of course, you know, when you buy anything from us, you're also getting us. We're here to help you. And just if you come to the store, you can be like this gentleman, and we put our 1-year labor guarantee. By the way, if you like what you see, hit that like button, we appreciate it, and subscribe to the channel. You get to see all this new cool stuff. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review on the Trifecta by Extang, the E Series on the Honda Ridgeline. Thank you very much.